Isabella had a urine test again, so I'm just waiting for my daughter to pick us up, and we're going to my brain scan. Girls' day out. Maaga pa yung my appointment still early, so we'll have coffee. Ang ganda dito, guys. Ang ganda. Isabella, take a video. Oh, nak. Kaya ni Margaret. Stand eh. Marga, nahiya si Margaret. Dito guys is Springfield. Where's Bud Simpson? Wala. Tapos na yung urine test niya. Nahihiyan yung kamay ko. Next appointment ko naman, pinagsama ko na sa isang araw para sana lang absent. Ganda yung phone. Can you take the order, Isabella, okay? You're good at it, not me. McDonald's for breakfast.
What was it say?
Hindi naman nakita. They have a new Sunshine Kitchen here for all Asian food. Bagong open yan, Marga. They're already open. Oh, I want... Oh, ito yung operator ko, guys.
What do you want?
You want kids meal? Oh, what do you want them for breakfast?
Can I make it a meal?
Yeah, get that one. You gotta... How much that one? Small fries? Oh, hindi ako marunong sa mga ganyan. That one?
What do you want?
I just want coffee. And...
Flat white?
Yes, please, flat white. Just a small one, darling.
Mac,
What do you want for breakfast?
do you want?
Are
Do you want a toasty or hot cross bun?
I don't like toasty.
Do you want this?
Yeah.
Hot cross bun?
Yeah, just a toast bun, darling.
I'll get you a fruit one.
Small.
Which two you line up?
I just want the fried rice.
And have you tried it? Oh, sweet and sour pork? Oh, satay.
This one, please. Satay chicken.
So, dalawa yung order. Alright guys, tapos na yung brain. So tapos na yung MRI scan ko at saka thyroid. And I received a phone call from the guys who did my MRI scan. Uy, hinaan mo nga, anak. So, naka-receive ako ng text na every 30 minutes and apparently he spoke to my doctor and sabi daw ng doktor ko kailan makita ako. Di akala ko nako meron na rin yata akong tumor sa utak. Kaya dali-daling pumunta dito. Wala naman pala. Ay nako, atakihin nila ako sa puso. Oh no! Yeah, okay, you should go. And Isabella, darling, you go to it because it's quite far, darling.
1 hour yun.
Yeah, 1 hour. Isabella. So I was pretty scared when I went to Isabella, go away first. So guys, I just thankful na tapos na yung brain scan ko. So at the moment I'm at the car park waiting for my kids and my niece na si Margaret. They just went to the toilet. But I'm just thankful scan and also my thyroid. So I got there at the Mater Hospital a little bit early. Hindi ko pa na-experience. That was my first time I scan. It's free, thank goodness. I didn't pay anything because I got the referral from my doctor na my sister had a surgery. So she just had her surgery. So I asked my doctor if I could get the referral. That way, makapag-scan din ako sa brain. My eldest sister had surgery as well, and so my mom, she had surgery. So yearly meron akong thyroid scan So meron na akong mga tumutubong mga nodules dito guys. So binabantayan lang siya pag lumalaki. So kapag lumalaki ang nodules ko, then I have to undergo a surgery. And I will find out the result tomorrow from my doctor. So hopefully walang problema sa brain ko. Para masaya naman kahit paano. So ngayon tapos na yung scan ko. Tsaka si Isabella, she had her urine test. And now we are going to transportation to take my niece. Kukuha ng parang ID lang dito sa atin, parang national ID sa Pilipinas, and meron din dito pero has to get it done sa transportation. So we are going to Bawi. Ayan ang aking magandang driver, ang aking anak. Ngayon si Margaret back there and Isabella. So it's like a girls out today. Pero po indirap like parang pang-doktor. Alright guys, we'll see you soon. Park ang anak ko sa taas. Ayan, papunta na kami ng Buddhism.
Wait, is that the car that you wanted to buy there?
Hi guys. Sunday morning and we're off to doctor's appointment. Since we haven't heard anything from the specialist, so I was gonna waiting for the result or kita kami sa doctor just to follow up with any news from specialist mag-check ng tumor. Hi guys, so for today's video, gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Actually, pinag-isipan ko ito kung dapat ko bang i-share kasi I've been told from my husband na wag muna sanang i-reveal kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ko at the moment. It just happened na having a chat and she's saying about, I asked her about what is the symptoms of yung brain tumor, and she told me everything. Na it's all started yung headache. She thought like it's only migraine, things like that. Tapos ringing noise, very sensitive yung pandinig niya. Tapos sabi ko, oh, ano din yun? Ganyan din yung nararamdaman ko. Sabi ko, you better get it checked. Magpa-CT scan ka o magpa-MRI ka. I had really bad headache. Back in 2019, yun nga, I was vomiting. Lumabas yung result. Yung parang ang happy-happy pa kasi kasama ko yung mga anak ko, guys. I was with my daughter, tsaka yung niece ko na si Margaret and Isabella, nag-day off din kami. Parang ganun siya. Tapos, ang saya-saya pa. Tapos, after ng CT scan, tumawag yung Mother Hospital na kailangan ko daw kitain yung doctor ko as soon as possible kasi nga daw urgent. But anyway, we got there sa doctor ko sa Springfield because we were at Springfield that time kasi nung tumawag yung guy sa akin, tinatanong ako kung asan ako. Sabi ko, nandito ako sa Springfield. And sabi nung guy, tinawagan ko yung doctor mo at kailangan kitain mo siya ngayon. So, I was rushing. Ninervyos talaga ako, guys, kasi after nung scan, we're supposed to go to transportation kasi in-apply ko yung pamangkin ko kumuha ng driver's license. And then when we got there, sinabi ko doon sa information na I got a phone call from the Mother Hospital and they said that I need to see Dr. Simic. So yun yung pangalan ng doctor ko. And then I think that lady rang my doctor and she said there's nothing, hindi naman daw wala naman daw. Sabi niya na I don't have to see her that day apparently kasi wala naman daw urgent. So parang sabi, okay, baka nagkamali lang yung doon sa hospital, sa Mother Hospital kung sino yung nag-scan sa akin. Then ayun, umalis kami, pumunta kami sa transportation. And then I just booked an appointment the next day kasi nga nag-ask na ako ng day off. Tapos ang nangyari, telehealth lang yung usapan namin. Tumawag siya, tapos actually I was waiting for her phone call doon sa doctor, kaso lang I think something happened, hindi sila makatawag, nagluloko yung home phone nila. And after ng work ko, naka-receive na lang ako ng text from my doctor na they trying to, I got a missed call from her, from my doctor, na mag-return call daw ako as soon as possible. So when I come home, I pick Isabella up from family daycare, and then when I got home, I nag-return call ako, tapos hindi niya muna sinabi. Ang dami yung mga question kung paano, how do I cope daw pag may headache, pag umatake daw yung headache ko. And sabi ko, uminom ako ng Panadol, ano daw yung symptoms. So, ang daming question bago niya binigay sa akin ng result. Kasi ang iniisip ko lang talaga guys, yung thyroid ko. Kasi lahi namin ang thyroid, yung ate ko meron siyang cancer. Pero na-overcome niya yun. Ganon din si mama. So, ang ini-expect ko lang talaga yung thyroid ko. Hindi ko talaga ini-expect na meron akong brain tumor. And then, at the end of our conversation, she told me about the result of my CT scan. And ni-refer na daw ako sa specialist. And, yun nga guys. So, nabigla ako. I was pretty shocked. Kasi nga, hindi ko nga talaga ini-expect. So, malaki na yung bukol dito sa left ng ano ko. Tapos, meron akong cyst dito. And meron akong fluid in this side sa right. So, for now, so today is 15 of May. Tapos, bukas na yung surgery ko, guys. Naka-isolate na ako kasi hindi ako pwedeng pumasok sa trabaho at baka makapick up ako ng mga sickness sa work. Tapos, hindi matuloy yung operation ko. So, I'm hoping na when I see you guys again, kapag mag-release ako ng video, I'm hoping na ma-overcome ko yung surgery. Gusto ko lang, yung reason kung bakit ni-rebel ko to ngayon, kasi huwag nyong i-ignore guys, kung kayo ay nagkakaroon ng, madalas kayo nagsasuffer ng headache, migraine, vomiting, you need to get it checked. Magpa-CT scan kayo kung maaari. Okay? So, i-rebel ko sa inyo, o sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung symptoms ng brain tumor. Makatulong sa inyo, kahit papano, na maging aware kayo sa mga nararamdaman ninyo. Sana guys, magkita tayo next time. Okay? For now, bye for now. This is it. Finally, dito na. Today is gonna be my surgery. We got here before 6 o'clock in the morning.
How do you feel?
I'm scared. That's like Philippines thing.